This is your extreme weather outlook here on this Friday, August 30th. I'm meteorologist Daniel Kaiser, and our story is that we are tracking Hurricane Dorian, almost a major hurricane as of Friday morning. It will impact the Bahamas as we go into the weekend, and Florida especially as we go into next week. Now, the latest on Dorian as of Friday morning, it is expected to become a major Category 3 hurricane later in the day today. We do have hurricane watches in place across the northwestern Bahamas, and again, we are expecting impacts in the U.S. as we head into next week. The latest on Dorian as of 8 a.m. Eastern Time on Friday, it was a strong Category 2 hurricane with winds of 110 miles per hour moving to the northwest at 12 miles per hour. It will continue to move off to the west and northwest as we go throughout the next several days, becoming again a major Category 3 hurricane later today and eventually a Category 4 hurricane as we go throughout the weekend as it moves towards the northwestern Bahamas. As it moves towards Florida, it is going to slow down because the steering currents aloft are going to fade away. That means Dorian could linger over Florida or near Florida at least as we go throughout the middle of next week. We could see a landfall next Monday night as a Category 4 hurricane. We do have hurricane watches in place across the northwestern Bahamas as of Friday morning, meaning we could see tropical storm force winds in about 48 hours or so. We are watching the potential for destructive winds, storm surge, and coastal flooding, as well as heavy rain and flash flooding. Some areas of the Bahamas and Florida could see at least 10 to 15 inches of rain through the next 7 days. Some models are indicating the potential of at least 20 inches of rain as well. We're also watching the potential for some very strong winds. Tropical storm force winds could approach the Florida coast already by Sunday morning.